So today we'll be looking at doors. So if I want to use doors is just right beside wall over here. So I come to the architecture tab, I click on the door tool over here. You can also use the shortcut DR. Okay, DR, and then you can place the door. So architecture door, and then you place the door on the wall. Before you place the door, when you shift it a bit, it can change where the door swing ought to be. So when I move it up a bit, the door swing is in this direction. When I move it down, the door swing in this direction. Okay, depending on where you deem the door swing to be fit. So I place the door. Okay. And even after placing the door, when I click on the door, you notice this arrow showing me that how I want the door to be, or whether I want the door to open in this direction or that direction. So when I click on it, I can still change where I want the swing to come from. Okay. So basically, that's with doors. When I click on the door, and remember what we said about the properties bar, it also enables you to be able to edit the door. So when I click on the drop down right beside uh, the doors ext dbl flash, that is this arrow over here, I'm giving access to different types of doors with different dimensions over here. So maybe I'm looking for a bigger door, but what if my dimension is not here? So remember what we did with edit type. So I come here, edit type, and then I try to set the dimension of door that I want. So I come to duplicate. Let's say I want the door to be 2000 by 2000 mm. I mean, this is not realistic, but this is just for um, un- um, understanding how this thing works. So after duplicate, remember what we said, we will have to change certain things over here. So we come here to dimensions, and we can change the rough width of the door and then the height. So remember we use 2000 in the renaming. And then you do similar for the height, 2000, and then you hit apply and then click OK. And you notice that the width of the door has increased by that measure that we gave. Yeah, so technically this is what you do when you want to edit your doors. There's also one other thing that you can do in case this is the door type that you do not like. I'll show you that later. So I want to be able to show you this in elevation to see how the door appears. So yeah, that's your door over here. All right. So we'll move on to the next thing. Thank you very much.